The aim of the challenge is to let our students in Loughborough University to improve their AI skills and try to apply what they learned during the week to solve real-world problems.
Our challenge is called Apples versus Grapes, and we are trying to use GeoAI for mapping the fruit transition of the United Kingdom.
Now the AI is a powerful tool to can plug in your all the study to all your career.
So I'm Daisy, I'm studying chemistry as a first year at Loughborough University, and I know that chemistry and science in general is becoming more and more technology-led, and I don't have much experience with AI or with coding, so I wanted to take part in this challenge to give me a little bit of a head start.
Hi, my name is Michael Momata. I'm here for the AI Challenge 2026, and my expectations is that it will allow me to kind of broaden my knowledge of AI usage and data analytics and understand it, how I can use it in other fields.
I'm here to try to develop my understanding of AI and how it can be used in real-world problems. I've obviously used it for different things throughout the past, but I want to see how it's actually applied in an industry setting. And I think this is going to be a good environment to develop my skills, work as a team with people a lot more advanced than I am.
And we implemented the classification of the orchard and the vineyard in many satellite images. That's very good because it's my first time to do such a computer vision project, and I'm satisfied with the improvement I get.
Over this week, at the AI Challenge Camp, our Apples vs. Grapes team built a first GeoAI prototype to map orchards and vineyards across Kent. Using high-resolution Google Earth imagery, students sampled training data segmented fields with the Segment Anything model and trained a support vector machine to classify each patch as orchard, vineyard, or other land use. Then they produced a county-wide map and area estimates that show in real space where apples and grapes currently sit next to each other. The model isn't perfect yet and is trained only on Kent, but is fast, low cost, and can be rerun over time. A solid foundation for future national mapping, better statistics for government, and sharper market intelligence for apple farmers and the wine sector. And obviously lots of fun for our students team.